Hello from Pirita in Tallinn, Estonia. So I'm doing a running beach adventure, and I was running earlier to Haapniemi Rand. That's located around 3 kilometers away from here. So now on the way back to the city, I'm going to explore Pirita Rand. This beautiful 2 kilometers long sandy beach on this 4th of August. Look at that. So now I'm on the north part of the beach, is it? And it's a 2 kilometer of sandy stretch as I am going to run. Probably gonna swim and relax a bit somewhere in the middle of the beach before I continue to run back to the city, which we can see in the distance, the city of Tallinn. From here it is around 6 to 7 kilometers to the city center, being the old town of Tallinn. Quite an amazing beach right next to forest, and there is even a track for running, walking and cycling. So let's then explore Pirita Rand together! Woohoo! Greetings from Pirita Rand, one of the best beaches in Tallinn, Estonia, out on the Baltic Sea. You can find these 2 kilometers of sandy beach right next to a beautiful forest, and just 6 kilometers away from the city center of Tallinn. So the sun is now back again, despite the forecast saying it's going to be cloudy and rainy all weekend. I did manage to get a lot of sunshine on my weekend trip here in Tallinn, as this is day 3 of my beach adventures in Tallinn, Estonia, and a beautiful sunny Sunday, 4th of August 2024. I have so many great memories with this date, as it was the same day I was participating and competing in the Olympic Games in London in 2012, 12 years ago, as I am an Olympian, as you can see from my tattoo on the leg that I have. So yeah, indeed. So this Olympian is enjoying now in Pirita Rand, Pirita Beach, as I'm doing run and beach adventures. I was running all the way to Haapniemi from Rusalka Beach at 9 kilometers. Then I'm running now back to Pirita, and from here I have 6 kilometers back. So total of 18 kilometers this whole run and beach adventures will be, before I continue to explore some sightseeing in the city center of Tallinn later today. So not really sure if this is the last beach adventure of my trip to Tallinn, if I am going to decide to take a swim at one of the central beaches later today. But for now, let's enjoy this beautiful day while the sun is still up, as it is a bit quite changing with some clouds here and there. I have a nice orange bench here, as they have many of them throughout the whole beach. And the beach is not so crowded today. Yesterday when I was at Pikakari on the other end of Tallinn, right there in the distance, it was quite crowded, but it was fairly smaller beach than this one. Here you can find your own inner peace. So I recommend this one, Pirita, if you want to enjoy on the sea while you're exploring Tallinn in the summer months. Right, let's then get going and take a swim in the Baltic Sea here at Pirita Beach. So earlier today on the way to the other beach, I have run across the beach. It was quite nice because the sand here towards the end it is hard, perfect for running. But there is even a track in the woods for hiking, walking, running and cycling as well. And to my surprise, I'm not the only one that's taking a swim, but anyway, it is 20 degrees Celsius both in the air and in the sea right now, so quite convenient for a beach adventure. And I'm so happy that I booked Tallinn in August. It's my second time here in Tallinn, but last time I was here it was only a day trip and I wasn't that much into beach adventures, and I didn't have a YouTube channel back then. But now all my travels are connected to cities and places where there are beaches, mostly sea, but even lakes work fine for my beach adventures. So let me know if I should visit some country and city for beach adventures soon. Maybe something in the late autumn or winter to escape the cold weather from my home city of Stockholm. Alright, it seems like the clouds are on their way, so let's now take a swim while the sun is still up. So let's go! Amazing! I'm so happy whenever I swim in the sea. Happiness overflows. Alright, then that's a wrap from Pirita Beach here in Tallinn, Estonia, one of the best beaches in Tallinn to explore. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me. Now I have 6 kilometers left to run, actually 5 kilometers left to run to Russalka Beach and then to explore the city. But yes, thanks a lot for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I'm gonna see you soon with more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris! And after my wonderful beach adventure at Pirita Beach, I'm now going to run the last 5 kilometers of my running adventure. So yes, let's then go and run back to the city of Tallinn, actually to Rusalka Beach where my backpack is safe. So let's then run, and as I'm showing you the Pirita Beach on the way out of the beach. So let's go.